Ethereum right now is range bound, it is consolidating, and it has actually been on a decline since the 16th of December 2024 to the time of recording. We've actually seen a sell-off. It did sell off about 25%, and at $3,300, today's price, time of recording, it is down 20% from its cycle high, not the all-time high. So in this video, we're going to look at what's likely for the Ethereum price in 2025 with a specific focus on Q1. So basically by the end of March. I made videos toward the end of last year focusing on Ethereum, about the bull run, and about how 95% of people are going to be priced out in Ethereum. I also talked about Ethereum to 5K by 2025 Q1, and I still believe that's very, very likely. I did even believe at one point that it would get to an all-time high by the end of last year. It didn't happen, and I still stand by the fact that if it doesn't reach 5K by the end of Q1 2025, I will delete the channel. Why will I delete the channel? Well, why not? Because I have high conviction. I still have my Ethereum long trade open. We have a $730,000 position profit right now. It was at one point double that at $1.5 million in the profit. But anyway, guys, let's talk about what's likely next for Ethereum. We're going to start things off just a very quick look at Bitcoin. And the reason why that's important is because it still controls the vast majority of the market. Bitcoin is 58% dominance. But the good news, and we're going to talk about this chart towards the end of this video, which is very, very important, we're seeing the Bitcoin dominance cool off, which is good for Ethereum, it's good for altcoins, it's good for meme coins as well, which I talk about. And I do suggest, by the way, guys, if you're into making high gains, this is a meme coin cycle. After this video, check out my video I made yesterday about SPX, a meme coin that it's my biggest position of meme coins, and I believe it's going to do very, very well. 25, 50x potential. Check that video out after, but let's talk about Ethereum. So like I said, Ethereum is down at the moment, $3,300. We're currently trading, but you can see that we're in a range. We're in this range, and it's also part of a bull flag as well. It's a continuation, and things are looking quite bullish, I must say, particularly on the medium and high time frames. But this is a daily chart, and we can see that we're at the bottom of this range here. We can also see that the moving averages we are in, and they're acting as support. And we've also created somewhat of a double bottom here, which is probably better seen even on this 8-hour chart. We have this double bottom. The important thing is we're creating higher lows. You can see higher lows, and that's exactly what you want to do. Yes, we sold off 25% over December, early January, but things are looking quite good. And what I will do before I go into my price analysis and prediction for the next time frame, look at this. We know that in January, February and March are very, very good months for Ethereum. We also know that Q1, so again, January, February, March, are also very, very bullish. We're pretty much neutral at the moment, and we're lining up, in my opinion, for a very, very bullish year, and particularly a very bullish quarter, probably to be the best quarter of 2025. That's why I'm holding my long trade open on BloFin. By the way, if you want to trade futures, spot, copy trading, do check out the link for BloFin down below. It's no KYC, so you can use it from anywhere in the world. It's a great platform, and I have a link for BYBIT as well. Let's talk about the price prediction here. I'm going to analyze this chart further with a head and shoulders pattern, which I believe we're in and trading as part of, and it's best seen on this chart here. This is the weekly chart, and you can see this head and shoulders pattern has been in place since January, well, let's say December 2021, January 2022, which of course was a horrible year, but it's now reached this consolidation point, and we're waiting for this big breakout, which in my opinion is going to come around the time Trump comes in a week or two time. We're going to see a huge pump in the market, and I am expecting this 4x opportunity in Ethereum over 2025, maybe into early 2026, where I believe $15,000 to $20,000 Ethereum is not only likely, but very likely. And in addition to that, we have some other chart patterns to look at as well. For example, we're trading in this upward channel, And we're kind of at that mid-ray point, trying to break the center line. We just need to break this major resistance line like I just demonstrated. The 200-day moving average is interesting because it's now acting as support at a major psychological level of $3,000. So it's a crucial support level, that 3K level. And we're also being supported by the bull market support and resistance bands. We haven't even touched the bottom line of that, which is at 2985. It's actually $3,200, that support level. We're also in this hugely bullish cycle pattern. So I'll zoom out here. What do I mean by cycle pattern? We know that Bitcoin and Ethereum both work in cycles, and we can see it's looking very, very bullish for Ethereum, and we should come up to this kind of $13,000 minimum level, which in my opinion, like I said, is very, very likely. In addition, this is very good to see. The monthly levels in the chart show us that, I need to go into the monthly chart to show you this. The monthly levels suggest that even if we were to break the $3,000 level, you have a $2,500 level, but you should better see this on the weekly. I think that's what I was meaning to show you actually. There's a weekly support level here at 3276 and then at $3,000. So there's two, in fact I haven't drawn it on chart, but there's two weekly support levels beneath us right now. So the Bitcoin dominance did fantastically in the bear market 2022 into 2023, and we had a breakout. We had a break of pattern. We had this breakout here in November, return of the scene of the crime, and Bitcoin dominance is now, in my opinion, and many technical analysis opinion, on the decline. And we can see in the total 3, which is the altcoin market, this chart represents all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can see it's incredibly bullish, and I'm expecting, according to the chart, at least a 100% gain in the altcoin market against Bitcoin and Ethereum. For smaller altcoins like this one I showed you that I suggest you check out after this video, I'll card it at the end of the video, do watch that. A huge opportunity there in the altcoin market. Also in Ethereum, Bitcoin, it does look like a bottoming pattern you can see here for the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. It has curved support line. It has major support in the chart, which we're currently in. If I get rid of these fib levels, you can see the significance of this support here. And yeah, I'm expecting a reversal in Q1. I believe Ethereum against Bitcoin is going to rally. It's going to do very well like it has in every other cycle. So that's why I'm very bullish on Ethereum, despite no one talking about it right now, and that's the best time to buy. So once again, link in the video description down below for huge bonuses on BloFin, no KYC trading, futures, copy trading, and for BYBIT as well. Thank you for watching. Do check out any one of these videos like my tutorial and my SPX6900 video, the meme coin that's set to take over the stock market. It might not do that, but I believe it's got a 25-50x opportunity in it. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you again on another video very soon. Happy New Year to everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.